Hello YouTube chess lovers. In today's video, I am going to show you a beautiful trick which can be played from black side. Let us begin the trick. White begins with e4, e5 by black. It is king's pawn game. d4 by white, e takes d4. It is known as center game accepted. Queen takes d4. Knight c6, center game, normal variation. Queen goes to e3. Knight f6. Black brings the other knight. Bishop to c4. Knight e5. Bishop goes to b3. And black bishop joins the party. Bishop b4, and it is check. Most common reply from white is c3. Now bishop goes to c5. What do you think? The white queen can capture the black bishop which is on c5? If you think it can, let us see what happens. Queen captures c5, then knight goes to d3 and forks both king and queen. So it is a bad move. Instead of that, white queen can go to g3 square, and what happens? Let's see. White queen goes to z3. In this case, what should black do? Black bishop captures the f2 pawn, and white is almost finished. Let us see how. If white queen captures the bishop, then knight goes to d3 and forks both king and queen. If white king captures the bishop, then other knight joins the party and goes to e4 and again forks the queen and king. So friends, did you like the game? Did you like the trick? If you like, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also give your comments. Thank you.